small little village called Santa Anita now. We took the chicken bus here. It took us like 6 hours yesterday. And we're fertilizing the coffee plants. We're basically in the rainforest. So amazing.
I always had like the most random wake-up calls. I was looking at this one up to my knee. Wow. But it was so, like super realistic or a little more abstract.
We're surrounded by banana trees. So cool. There's the bananas. We're in the rainforest, guys. Pretty much, right? Whoa, whoa. It's raining again, really, really hard. I don't know if you can hear it, but basically the mornings are super nice and then it just downpours in the afternoon, which I love the rain. I love rainstorms, so it's been awesome for me, but hard to be outside. So in Santa Anita we're doing homestays with families and we're divided up into smaller groups. Like I'm in a group of 3 people who are staying with the family, and we eat breakfast and dinner and lunch with them sometimes, and sometimes we all eat together as a group. But we are working in the fields. We're gonna work in the coffee fields again tomorrow morning. We're gonna do the fertilizer and then watch like a documentary film, and can't remember what else we're doing, but I'm sure we're probably going on a hike. Today we went on a beautiful hike to that waterfall. It was amazing. And then this afternoon we actually listened to the women who are fighting for women's rights, and we had a group discussion with them, and that was just amazing to hear and see like all of these things that they're doing in such a small community. And it's just been an amazing experience so far in Santa Anita. It's beautiful. We're in the rainforest. Everything is lush and green, and it's always been a dream of mine to be in the rainforest. So amazing.
I thought yesterday.
Is everybody here?
So this is a cocoa plant. Look, there's the cocoa. So cool.
Oh yeah, what about this place too? The cafe there?
We're in Xela, the next biggest city besides Guatemala City.
Look at McDonald's, Drew.
Yeah, I saw it.
Oh.
That was some weird.
Hasta como a 300 metros más o menos.
Dale, compadre.
Dale, dale.
So we found this amazing cafe. What is it called, guys? Do you remember?
Cafe Red.
Cafe Red, and it's just like covered in art, head to toe. Everything is so colorful, and there's just, it looks like a bunch of different artists everywhere, and we're just gonna have coffee and relax. Got a delicious mocha, got a latte, strawberry shake. What happened, Heather?
He put my soda in a bag because he wanted the deposit back.
That's hilarious. It looks so weird.
This is my bag soda.
Like,
yeah.
we were talking about how delicious soda is from a glass bottle, and now it's in a bag.
So.
You're waiting for nothing.
Just walk, yes.
Hail it down. Oh wait, there's someone in there.
That's someone in there.
We're at Lake Adelaide! Woo! We're gonna go ziplining! But first we have to take the tuk-tuk.
I'm actually super excited to be in this thing right now. I've been like curious about these things since I first saw them.
So it's to each, Monkeys!
Yeah, that's adorable.
There he go. That's my homie right there. What's his name?
Oh my god, this bridge is so scary! Here she comes!
Well,
Oh my god!
and here is Kelsey preparing to get on the zip line. Strapping in. There's the line in question. And we're just waiting. And she's bending down, getting to the leap, and there she goes! Woo! And here comes Kelsey! Woo! Kelsey! Woo! Well done!
Whew. First zip line experience was awesome!
He's like boat ride.
Wow. It likes it. It's so pretty.
Yeah, it is.
Wow.
Soda too.
Turns out to be a thing. Yeah. Hi. We're on the plane, last plane, and we're heading to Bedford. We'll be there in a couple hours. Here we go!